now start. This is box tens and this is ones. Okay, so start ones. Dot center and bottom line. And now write the number 1. Okay, which number is this? This is 1. Now next number is 2. So dot the center and curve and then sleeping line. This number is 2. Now next number is 3. Dot the center and curve and another curve. This number is 3. Sorry, now make a dot center position and then write 1. This number is 1. Okay, and make a dot center and curve and then sleeping line. This number is 2. Okay, now next is 3. Make a dot center then curve and once more time curve. This number is 3. Okay, now next number is 4. Make a dot center and sleeping line, standing line, slanting line and sleeping line. This number is 4. Now next number is 5. Make a dot center, sleeping line, standing line, curve. This number is 5. Now next number is 6. Curve and circle. This number is 6. Now next number is 7. Make a dot center, sleeping line and slanting line. This number is 7. Now next number is 8. Okay. Make a dot center, curve and right side curve and join it. This number is 8. Now next number is 9. Make the dot center, standing line and curve. This number is 9. Now next number is 1, 0, 10. So make the dot center top to bottom. This number is 1 and again dot center and 0. This number is 1, 0, 10.
Start.
Hello children, today we are learning 1 to 10 counting numbers. Okay, then we are writing here 11 to 20. Okay, how to write we can start. Okay, look at this. This is ones, this is tens. Okay, we will write ones position in 1 to 9 here. Okay, always we will write here ones position 1 to 9 numbers. Okay, then we will start 11. Okay, how to write? Look it here. We will write first, make a dot here in center position, ones position and tens position. Then we will start the ones position in 1, touch the bottom line. Then make a tens position is also 1 here. This is 11. 1, 1, 11. How to read this? 1, 1, 11. Okay. Next number is, what's come after 11? Do you know? Yes, 12. Okay. So, how to write? Make it 2 here. You will be right now. How to write 2? Look at here. First, we make a dot in center and ones position and one dot in tens position in center. Okay, then we make a ones position like a 2 here. Okay, write 2 here. We will write 2, make a curve, then sleeping line. It's like 2. Look at here. 2 is always in ones position. Then we make a 1 here in tens position. We make a standing line. Which number is this? 1 to 12. Okay, this number is 1 to 12. Next, what's come after 12? Do you know now? Yes, 13. How to write? First we make center. Yes, then first we make a point in center of the blocks. Yes, then second is 1 to 10th line. Okay, then make it curve here in ones position. First curve. Okay, make a dot in the center. Then one more dot in the center. Then make 1 here and small curve. Small curve. 1, 3, 13. Which number is this? 1, 3, 13. What's come after 13? 14. Then first, one more time make a dot in center position and one make a dot in a second block. Okay. Then make a standing line. Then make a standing line 1. Then slanting line small. Then sleeping line. 1, 4, 40. Which number is this? 1, 4, 40. Next number. What's come after 14? Do you know? 15. Yes. So how to write? Make a 1 here. So first make a point in center position and 1 position in center position, 1 point also. Then make a standing line. This is 1. Next is sleeping line, small standing line and make it curve here. 1, 5, make it 5 here. So 1, 5, 50. Next number is, what's come after 50? 60. So one more time, make a dot here. Okay. Then we make a 1 here. Touch the bottom line also. Okay. Then write a 6 here. You write here now. So make a curve. Then small circle. Look at this. This is a 6. 1, 6, 6. 1, 6, 16. Okay. Next number, what's come after 60? Do you know what's come after 60? Do you know? There is a 7. So, what's come after 60? 70. Oh, yes, you know. There is a dot. Make a dot here. Then, make standing line. So, there is a 1. Then, make a 7. How to make 7? Make a sleeping line and slanting line. This is 1, 7, 17. What's come after 17? Do you know? Yes, 18. How to make 18? Okay, we make a center 1. Okay, we write 1 here. Then we write a dot in center of the block. Make a 8. How to make 8 easy? First make a small curve. Then make it curve and join the dots. Make it like 8. Yes, 1, 8, 80. Next number is, what's come one dot, then second dot, then make it standing line. This one here, then make it standing line and small curve with left side. This is 19. 1, 9, 19. What's come after 19? Do you know? 2, 0, 20. How to write like 2 here? We will write here 2 in tens position and 0 in ones position. Understand? Okay. Look at here. We make a center point first. Okay. Then we curve and sleeping line. This is 2. Then make a circle. So this is a 0. 2, 0, 20. Which number is this? 2, 0, 20. Shall we read it? 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Yes, okay, done it. Thank you.